Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to send picture in TikTok comments. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app and log into your account. After you log in, simply choose the video you want to post comment on or send picture on. Now all you have to do is tap on the reply option available in any comments. And there you can see there is the video option available in the bottom left corner. Tap on the video option and you'll be navigated to the camera. After you will be navigated to camera, simply tap on the photos option available or uploads option available in the bottom right corner. After you tap on the uploads, you will be navigated to gallery photos. Choose any photos you want to send on the picture. So here I'm choosing a random photo. So after you choose a random photo, tap on it and continue with the process. Now simply again continue with the process. Tap on the red highlights in the bottom. Now simply tap on the post option available there and post it. So after you post it, simply go to the liked videos option and check the video comment. And after you check on the video comment, you can see your photo has been successfully uploaded there. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.